Hey guys, today we're going to be trying the slime liquor Blue Raz.
Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
They're spilling. Okay. Wait.
I don't know.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
You ready?
2, 1.
I get someone to want water park teachers, please. I got it.
What do you think?
I think it's definitely something. What do you think?
Magical.
Would you eat again?
Probably.
Would you eat the whole thing?
No. No.